Welcome back to my channel. Traditional way of preparing cabbage rice. So here is a clove of garlic. I want to peel it and crush it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Na so see they waka, they shine like sun. Everywhere she go, she dey spread that love. Full for pot, dance with gracefulness. Life story sweet, create faithfulness. Yeah. She dey travel, she dey connect. Make new friends, give respect. Anywhere she land, na joy she bring. Now she be the queen, we sabi everything. She go dance some more, tell story too. From village life to city crew, she dey cook with vibe, no darling, no. Fufu with soup, we go scatter show. Now so see the waka, they shine like sun. Everywhere she go, she dey spread that love. Fufu for both, dance for life, how they change. Village story.
Let's add our pepper, hot pepper, and crush it together.
She dey trend, she know they do am for fame. Togetherness.
We are going to be adding our tomatoes. It's frozen tomatoes that I put in the freezer, so it was actually ice. Let's crush it together.
She dey trend, she know they do am for fame. Togetherness na her real game. Love they flow like say na rain. Yeah, yeah. Saucy, from Niger to the world, we they represent love. Oh yeah, now dance for me one time. Fufu and friends, na saucy they bring. Story time, we gon' make you sing. Dance for the people, joy they flow.
So here is our pot. We're going to be putting it on fire.
Enter village, capture life for heritage. Fire would they burn, soup to they boil. Unity they sweet, no need for spoil.
Here is our cooking vegetable oil. Let's add it to the pot as the pot is hot.
No they hide, na true love she carry for boy rich for friends. Na so see they bring. Story time, we gon' make you sing. Dance for the people, joy they flow. Traditional vibe, make the whole world know. So see they show, say love them.
So let's add our sliced green onions. We call it spring onions here to the oil.
Street, together we did the vibe complete.
So after frying the green onions, we are going to be adding our crushed garlic and pepper and tomatoes to the hot oil, so you can fry it together. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Na so see they waka, they shine like sun. Everywhere she go, she dey spread that love. Fufu for pot, dance with gracefulness. Life story sweet, create faithfulness. Yeah. She dey travel, she dey connect. Make new friends, give respect. Anywhere she land, na joy she bring. Now she be the queen, we sabi everything. She go dance some more, tell story too. From village life to city crew.
Let's add our seasoning cube. I have 4 cubes of star maggi here. I prefer to use star maggi because I don't use salt. If I want to use salt, it's just a pinch of salt. Recently, I stopped eating salt. Even hobby is not too good for the health.
Sugar can me. Saucy global concepts, not a name. She dey trend, she know they do am for fame. Togetherness, na her real game.
We have here smoked fish. You know, I smoked fish for sale, so I do patronize myself. I've won the fish, so we are adding it.
No they do am for fame. Togetherness na her real game. Love they flow like say na rain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Saucy, from Niger to
So our tomato sauce is ready. We're going to be bringing it down and put our frying pan on fire so we can steam our cabbage. I also have some bell pepper here, green pepper and even yellow pepper, and some carrots.
flow. Traditional vibe, make the whole world know. Yeah, she go waka enter village, capture life for heritage. Fire would they burn, soup to they boil. Unity they sweet, no need for spoil. She they laugh, she they gist. Talk about old days with twist. African pride, no they hide. Now true love she carry for boy rich for friends. Now so see they bring. Story time, we gon' make you sing. Dance for the people, joy they flow. Traditional vibe, make the whole world know. So see the show, say love, they real. No matter where you from.
So we are going to be turning in our diced carrots, chopped carrot, and the bell pepper as well. And we'll also add our chopped spring onions, green onions.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we are going to be putting it on fire for it to steam.
They shine like sun. Everywhere she go, she they spread that love. Full for pot, dance with gracefulness. Life story sweet, create faithfulness.
We have in here our thyme, we'll add it, and also we have our curry here. We are going to also add it and stir it together to mix.
Everywhere she go, she they spread that love. Full for both, dance for life, how they change. Village story sweet, come on to Gakani. Saucy global concepts, not a name.
I added 2 seasoning cube, Maggi star, cover it to steam.
Na her real game. Love they flow like say na rain. Some see global concepts, not a name. She the trend, she know they.
Let's turn in our chopped cabbage. Cabbage is the main thing here. So you can see a lot of cabbage. Mix it together and allow it to steam together. So I'm dishing out hobby's food for lunch, so he can go with it to the office. He doesn't eat outside, so I always make lunch for him. Yes. So our cabbage sauce is ready. I'm also dishing out our own. This is mine. I'll be eating for breakfast. I'm so hungry. You can even see it from my face. I'm very hungry. And you know, it's something that I can't even wait to eat. So finally it's ready. So put my tomato sauce one side and then adding my cabbage sauce aside. You need to give it a try. It tastes very yummy, very delicious. So don't forget to give me a like and also drop your comments on what you feel about these recipes from the comment section. God bless you. One love, everyone.